Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. Our channel is the one-stop solution for all your competitive exams. In this session, I am going to explain you how to find HCF and LCM in less than 10 seconds. So let us begin the course with the proper introduction and making you understand the concepts. Now, please observe here. First of all, what do you mean by HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. What is HCF? HCF is nothing but highest common factor. You need to understand what do you mean by factor, what do you mean by common factor, then what do you mean by highest common factor. Okay, please observe here. I am going to take two examples here. 12, two numbers I am going to take. One is 12, another is 16. Okay, now list out all the factors of your 12. The factors of your 12 are 2. Okay, 1 is also a factor. 1 is also a factor. 1, 2, then 3, then your 4. Okay, then 6. Okay, now the factors of your 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8. These are the factors of your 16. Then you may have a question now, what do you mean by a factor? A factor is a number which is going to divide the given number completely. See, 2 is a factor. 2 is going to divide the 12 completely. Therefore, 2 is called as a factor. 3 is a factor because 3 is a number which is going to divide the given number completely. 1 is also a factor. 4 is also a factor. 6 is also a factor of your 12. Similarly, factors of your 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8. These are called as what? Factors. Factors is nothing but a factor is a number which is going to divide the number completely. So you understood what you mean by a factor now. Now, you should know what you mean by common factors. In these two numbers, which are the common factors? 1 is a common factor. Okay. 2 is a common factor. Okay. 4 is a common factor. Correct? So these are called as what? Common factors. That are factors which are common in those two numbers are called as what? Common factors. Among your common factors, which is the highest? 4. Therefore, this 4 is called as highest common factor. That is your HCF. Hope you understood what you mean by HCF. That is among your factors, which is the highest. Among your common factors, which is the highest. That is called as what? Highest common factor. Hope you understood. Now you came to know what you mean by a factor. What are the common factors? Then what do you mean by highest common factor? So hope you understood what is your HCF. HCF is also called as greatest common divisor. HCF is also called as greatest common divisor. Okay. Now I am going to explain you the various tricks in finding the HCF very easily. Okay. Let us go for the problems now. The first question is, I need to find out HCF of your 8 and 12. I need to find out HCF of 8 and 12. Here, I have two methods to find out the HCF of 8 and 12. The one is the difference method. One is difference method. See, what is the difference of your 8 and 12? 4. Now, please check out 4 will divide your 8. Yes. Okay. And 4 will divide your 12. Yes. Therefore, HCF of these 8 and 12 is what? 4. Okay. So, how quickly I am finding? Please observe here. HCF of 8 and 12. What you need to do is find the difference. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now you check. 4 is going to divide your 8. Yes. 4 is going to divide your 12. Yes. Therefore, common factor, highest common factor is your 4. This is one method. I am going to give you another method also. Among your 8 and 12, which is the smallest number, that is lowest number? 8. Okay. Now, you have to tell the factors of your 8. Which are the factors of your 8? 2, 4 and 1. Okay. 1, 2 and 4 are the factors. Now you please check. 4 is going to divide your 8. Which is the highest here? 4 is the highest. 8 is divisible by 4. Yes. 12 is divisible by 4. Yes. Therefore, the highest common factor is 4. Therefore, HCF is 4. Hope you understood. Now I will go for the second example now. For your 12 and 16, I need to find out your HCF. For 12 and 16, I am going to find the HCF. The difference of your 12 and 16 is 4. 4 is dividing your 12. 4 is also dividing your 16. Therefore, HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, I will explain you the another method now. See, for which is the lowest number among 12 and 16? 12. Find the factors of your 12. Okay. 2, 6 times is 12. Okay. Now, 6, whether 6 is going to divide your 12? Yes. But 6 is not dividing your 16. Therefore, HCF is not 16. Again, you divide. 2 3s. Now, you please here. 2 into 2 is what? 4. Okay. Now, 4 and 3 are other factors. 3 is not dividing your 16. Whether 4 is going to divide? Yes. Okay. Highest common factor is 4 now. In this method also, you can find out the HCF very quickly. Okay. The third problem. I need to find out HCF of your 21 and 35. 21 and your 35. Okay, now see. What is the difference here? The 21 and for your 35 difference is what? 14. 14 is your difference. Whether the 21 is divisible by 14? No. Whether 35 is divisible by 14? No. Then tell the factors of yours. So 14. 2 and 7. Okay, now in this. Okay, 7. From 7 I can divide your 21? Yes. From 7 I can divide your 35? Yes. Therefore the HCF is what? 7. The HCF between your 21 and 35 is 7. Okay. Difference is 14. But from 14 I cannot divide 21 and 35. The factors of your 14 are 2 and 7. From 7 I can divide 21 as well as 35. Therefore HCF is 7. Okay. Another second method. How to find out the HCF. Now for your 21. I can write here 3 ones, 3, 7. Okay. From 7 I can divide 21 and 35. Therefore HCF is what? 7. Now, next question. I need to find out HCF of your 14 and 18. 14 and 18. Okay. 14 and 18. 14 and 18. So what is the difference? The difference is 7. Okay. No, not 7. The difference is 4, right? 14 and 18. Difference is 4. Now, from 4, whether you can divide your 14? No. From 4 you can divide? No. Therefore, list out the factors here. 2. Okay. And 1 and 2 are the factors. From 2 we can divide your 14? Yes. From 18? 18 we can divide by 14? 2. Yes. Therefore, HCF is what? 2. 2 is your HCF here. Okay. Then another method. For your 14. Okay. 2 7 is 14. Okay, from 2 whether you can divide 14? Yes. From 2 you can divide your 18? Yes. Therefore HCF is what? 2. HCF is 2. Hope you have understood. I will go for a few more examples. Now, I need to find out HCF of 27 and 32. I need to find out HCF of 27 and 32. Okay, now see here. 27 and 32. What is the difference? 5 is the difference. From 5 whether you can divide your 27? No. From your 32? No. Therefore what are the factors of your 5? 1. Okay. Another factor is 5. I already told from 5 you cannot divide. Therefore from 1 is the only highest common factor for this. The HCF for these two is 1. Okay. Now hope you have understood with this example. So another method. Now among these two, which is the smallest number? 27. Okay, list out the factors here. 3 9s, 3 3s, 3 1 times. Whether you can divide from 3? No. Okay, because the 32 is not divisible. Whether you can divide by 9? No. Whether you can divide by 27? From the 32 you can divide? No. So therefore, what is the common factor, highest common factor? 1. Hope you understood. Okay. Now, I need to find out the HCF of 35, 45 and 50. 3 numbers I am finding. No need to worry. Follow the trick I am going to give you now. So I need to find out HCF of 35, 45 and 50. I need to find out this. Okay, now please observe. What is the difference here? 10 is the difference. What is the difference here? 5 is the difference. Now what is the difference between these two numbers? 15. Please observe now. I need to find out the difference of 3 numbers. First number and second number is 10. Second number and third number is 5. Third number and first number is 15. Now, among these numbers, which number is going to divide this completely highest number, which is that highest number. Okay, so from 10 I cannot divide, okay, because 35 is not divisible by 10. From 15 whether I can divide 15? No. Okay, from which number I can divide all the three numbers? So from 5. Therefore HCF for this problem is 5. HCF is 5. Okay, so let me explain another method here. Now among these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 35. 35. Find the factors now. 7 times is 35. Now from 7 you can divide your 45 and 15? No. So from which number you can divide? From 5 only. Therefore HCF is 5. Straight away I can tell. Next. Now I need to find HCF of 108, 288 and 360. Now the numbers are slightly bigger. So don't go for a difference method. Okay. The difference method is easy only when the numbers are smaller, like this 35, 40 and 55, like that. So if the numbers are a little bit bigger and difference is much bigger, don't go for difference method. You follow the second method, that is among these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 108. So list out all the factors of your 108 now. 2 5s is 10, 2 4s. Now you check whether you can divide a number by 54. Yes, 108 I can divide by 54, but I cannot divide 288 from 54. Correct? 54. 4 times, let me check out. 4 4s is 16, 5 4s 20, 21. Okay, so this I have 288 I cannot divide by 54. Correct? Okay, then go for other factors now again. 2. 2 how many times? 2 2s is 4. Okay, then 2 7s, 27 times. Now you check whether I can divide from 27. Okay, whether you can divide from 27? No, I cannot divide by 27. Still I will go further now. I will go for 3. 3 9s is 27. Okay, now please observe here. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, please see. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, now another fact 12. Now 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54. I already told 27 54 is not divisible. Okay, then 9 2s 18. 18 2s are 36. Any of 36. 12 is a factor of 36. You just consider 36 only now. From 36 you can divide your 108. Yes, I can divide. From 36, whether you can divide 288? Yes, I can divide. See, 36 how many times? Here 4, 8 is there. 6, 8 is what? 48. 4, 6, 8 is 24 plus 4, 28. Okay. 360 I can divide. So what is your HCF? 36 is your HCF. 36 is your HCF. Okay, I will explain one more time. Please observe here. See, within less than 10 seconds I can find the HCF of any numbers. Okay, now for your, among these three, which is the smallest number? 108 is the smallest number. Okay, now find factors. 54. From 54, these two, all the three numbers are not divisible. Further I will go from 27. From 27 also, all the three numbers are not divisible. Therefore I will go 3 9 times. Okay, now see here. From which numbers I can divide? I can divide this by 2. Okay, from 3 and 9. Okay, so now I 2 what are the factors I got? 2 2 3 9. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, now from 12 I can divide. Then 9 3s are 27. 27 I already told these three numbers are not divisible. Therefore skip this 3. 9 2s is 18. 18 2s are 36. But 12 is a factor of your 36. From 36 whether you can divide all the numbers? Yes. Therefore HCF is what? 36. Hope you have understood. So answer for this question is 36. Now for these three numbers, the numbers are small. You can go for difference method. Okay. That 12, 6, 12 and 18. The difference is here is 6. Okay. The difference is here is 6. Okay. The difference here is 12. Now please observe whether you can divide. Okay. So 6, 12 and 18 from 6. Yes. But you cannot divide from 12, 6. Correct. So at least your HCF. 6 is your HCF. Okay. Another method. Which is the smallest number among these three? 6. Okay. 2 3s are. Now please observe. 3 into 2 what is what? 6. From 6 I can divide 6. From 6 I can divide by 12. From 6 I can divide by 18. Therefore HCF is what? 6. Hope you have understood. I will go for the next example. Now, I need to find out HCF of 4 numbers now. Okay, please observe. Now, I will apply the second method here. 8. For your 8, let me find out the factors. 2 4s. Okay, then 2 2s. Now, please observe whether you can divide the entire number from 4. Okay, please see 2 into 2 is what? 4. From 8 I cannot divide all the numbers, but from 4 either you can divide. Yes, 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 yes. Therefore HCF is what? HCF is 4. See, 2 into 2 is 4. Don't go 4 into 8 because from 8 all the numbers are not divisible. Therefore HCF is 4. Now I need to find out the HCF of your 30, 42 and 135. So which is the smallest number? 30. Okay. Now please observe here. From 2 I can divide this number, right? From 2. How many times it will go? 2. 15 times. Now from 15 whether you can divide all the numbers? No. Again I will go 3. 3, 5 is what? 15. So from 2 I can divide? No. From 3 whether you can divide all the numbers? Yes. Okay. From 5 you can divide all the numbers? No. 5 3 is 15. From 15 also I cannot divide. From 30 also cannot divide. So what is your HCF? HCF is what? 3. HCF is 3. See how quickly, less than 10 seconds I can find my answers. Answers for HCF is 3 for this example. Next question. I need to find out HCF of your 24, 60, 84 and 108. Okay. Please observe here. So which is the smallest number of all the numbers? 24. Now from 2 ones, 2 12s. Okay, now check out whether you can divide from 2 all the numbers. Yes. Whether you can divide from 12, 12 2, yes, 12 5 is 6. Okay, 12 7s, 12 9s. What is your HCF? HCF is 12. Correct? HCF is 12. Hope you understood. Okay. HCF is what? 12 here. Now, the next problem. I need to find out HCF of 150, 210 and your 300. 150, 210 and 300. Okay. Which is the smallest number among all the three here? So the smallest number is 150. Correct? The smallest number is 150. I will divide from 2 now. Okay. 2 7s 14, 2 5 times. Now whether you check whether you can divide all the numbers from 2? Yes. Whether you can divide from 75? 75 2 times, but 210 is not divisible by 75. Further I will go. From 3? Yes, I can divide. 3 2s are 6, 3, 5 times. Now you please observe. From your 25 I can divide all the numbers? No. Okay, further I will go 5 times. Now please observe here. See here. From 2 I can divide? Yes, I can divide. From 3 whether you can divide all the numbers? Yes, I can divide. From 5 whether you can divide all the numbers? Yes, I can divide. From 3 numbers I am able to divide. Now 5 3 is what? 15. 15 2 is 30. Okay. From 30 whether you can divide all the numbers? Check out. From 30 whether you can divide? Yes. 30 I can divide. From 30 I can divide. From 30 I can divide. Okay. So HCF for this example is 30. HCF is what? 30. See how quickly I did my HCF. Okay. Please observe here. So among all these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 150. Find the factors. 2 75 times. From 75 whether you can divide? No. Then 3 25 times is 75. Now please observe here. From your 25 whether you can divide all the numbers? No. 5 times now. From 2 I can divide. From 3 I can divide. From 5 I can divide. Okay. Then say what is the multiple of 5, 3 and 2? 30. From 30 I can divide all the numbers. Therefore HCF is 30. Hope you have understood. Okay. So we will go for a few more examples to make you understand how to find out HCF very quickly. Okay. The next question, I need to find out HCF of 750, 6300 and 18900. See, I will initially ignore the zeros in the units place. Remaining digits I am going to write it here. 75, 630 and 1890. The smallest number among all these is 75. Now we will go for the procedure now. So 325 times. Now I will check out whether you can divide all the numbers from 25. Please observe. Now I cannot divide this, okay? So again I will further follow 5 times. So now please observe now. From 25 you cannot divide. From 15, 5 3 is not 15. Check out from 15 whether you can divide. Yes, I can divide this number from 15 here. 15 4 times is 63, 52 as correct I can divide. Here 15 1 times is 15, 3 left out. 15 2 times is 30, 9 left out. 50 yes I can divide. The HCF of these three numbers is 15. HCF is 15. See how quickly and accurately I am doing. I am finding the HCF. The HCF is 15. But what I have done, I have ignored the zeros in the beginning, right? So that I will consider. The HCF is what? 150 now. Initially I ignored zeros, then I have put it here. So that's my HCF. Next, I need to find out the HCF of these three numbers. Which is the smallest number here? 1365, right? 1365. Now, find the factors. So from which number I can divide? From 3, let me check out. Yes, I can divide. 3 4s are 12. 1 left out, 3 5s is 15, 1 left out, 3 5 times is 15. Again, from 3 I cannot divide, I will go for 5. 5 9s is 45, 5 1 times. Now, please observe here, whether you can divide these numbers from 91. From 91, whether you can divide. So let me further factorize this, let me check out. Then, here, 7, how many times? 7 1s is 7, 7 3s. Now, please observe here. Whether you can divide all the numbers from 3, please check out. For this I can divide from 3, yes. This 6, yes I can divide from 3. This one, 10. This I cannot divide from 3. From 3 I cannot, so divide. Next from 5 I can check. Whether I can divide these numbers from 5, yes I can divide 5, 5, 5, yes I can divide from 5. Whether I can divide from 7, check out now. 7, from 7 whether I can divide. 7 1s is 7. Okay. What is left out then? 6 left out. 7 9s are 63. 3 left out. So yes, I can divide from 7. This I can divide from 7. Now this 7 2 is 14, but 0 is there. Okay, in units place, definitely I cannot divide from 7. See, 7 2 is 14. 1 left out. 7 2s are 14. 2 I cannot divide from 7. Okay. This I cannot. Now. From 13 whether you can divide? No, not at all possible. Therefore, what is HCF? HCF is 5. The HCF for this example is 5. 5 is your HCF. That's it. Now, for the last problem. Now, I need to find out the HCF of these three numbers. The smallest number among all the three numbers is 513. 513. Factorization I will go. 3 1s is 3. 2 left out. 3 7s is 21 and 3 1s is 3. Again 3. 3 5s is 15. 2 left out. 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now, again from 3 only I can do. 3 1s is 3. 2 left out. 3 9 times. Now let me check out from which number I can divide this given number. Okay. Now please observe here. From 19 is a prime number. Whether you can divide from 19. Okay, let me check out now from 19. Yes, this is not divisible. From 19 I cannot divisible. I cannot divide this. Then 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. From 27 whether you can divide these numbers, you check out. Yes, you can divide this. This also division is possible. Yes, this is also possible. Therefore, the answer for this question is 27. The HCF for these three numbers is 27. See how quickly and accurately I am solving. So that's it. This is how you can find the HCF of any numbers very easily and accurately. Hope you have understood. Please watch the video one more time for better understanding. With this, I am ending this session. In the next session, I am going to teach you the basics of your LCM, the concepts and how to find out the LCM very quickly and accurately in less than 10 seconds. If you have not still subscribed my channel, subscribe right now. Don't forget to click on the bell button for the new videos. If you like my videos, like them and share them. Kindly note, sharing is always caring. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number is 9742331968. 9742331968. With this, I am ending this session. Thank you.